Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe Express for product thumbnail templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Adobe Express download. Hit the enter key to start your search. Look for the official Adobe website link in the search results. Click on the link to visit the Adobe Express page. On the Adobe Express page, find the Get Started for Free button. Click on this button to initiate the download process. You may be prompted to create an Adobe account if you don't have one. Fill in the required information to create your account. If you prefer, you can sign in using Google or Facebook. Once signed in, you may need to verify your account through your email. After verification, return to the Adobe Express download page. Locate the download button specific to your device. If you are using a Windows PC, click the Windows Download option. For Mac users, select the Mac version provided. For mobile devices, search for Adobe Express in your App Store. Download the application to your device. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. After installation, open Adobe Express from your device. When it launches, log in with your Adobe account credentials. Now you can explore various product thumbnail templates. To find templates, use the template search function. Type product thumbnails in the search bar. Browse through the available options and select a template you like. Customize the template to suit your brand style. Once satisfied with your design, save your work. You're now ready to create eye-catching thumbnails for your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.